sure it's in good there.
Yeah.
I don't know, we need to do it more.
Wait. No, but we need to feel it with the
Yeah, no, but look,
go more.
you need to go into the line. You want to feel it? I never tried that.
Yeah, you feel it really easily. I tried it.
Put it out on the other side. Well, let me just put it in right now. Should we check that this one is center? Like this?
Okay, with the radio?
Yeah, with the radio. I can't do this.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
I need a team picture before flight. So. Dan, where's the nut for this one?
In the middle?
I do not. No? I don't know for that. No, I'm putting it on the nut. You took it off.
Why is there a green thing?
Helps a lot. Oh. We have that on video.
Filmalos, Abelardo, ve.
Los árboles.
No, estoy mirando el manual, mijo.
Wait, what's that?
Let me get the little pump.
I think your dad, you'll never admit it. Him and his GPS.
And then Bluetooth.
So you need to attach your...
It's your spotter. Spot.
See here, man.
A heck. Do you have it?
It's a little bit tight.
A little bit tight.
Yes.
Okay.
Because for sure that this cable won't expand, I don't think. But for now, there's no problem.
Okay. Thank you. Boom.
There.
Thank you.
Very much.
I don't know when the guy who tried to steal the plane.
Freaking out.
Yeah,
You guys bring it close to you.
and you can probably bring the plane down there.
Yeah.
Right now? It's with the fuel. Wait. Taking this thing off. You get one of the wires here.
Is that 12?
And
No, I don't know.
don't put close.
Okay, man. If it wasn't for the competition, you just had a play.
That's it. Oh, you want to try to be private? Oh no, okay. Wait, can you see the fish tank?
Yeah, it's going in. What?
No, I feel like I need to go to the bathroom. I'm
now?
so nervous.
Yeah.
Go from here. Make sure that... On devrait faire mieux encore. Non, là, il y a... Là, c'est avec le strike test.
Whoa.
Non, ici, Diego.
Here,
Ici.
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna touch here.
Okay, gonna try if there's another one.
Whoa. It's touching the... No, it's touching the...
No problem. I know.
Big sake.
I know.
Can we do a team picture?
Yeah, okay, team picture first.
Team picture?
Yeah.
I know, it just...
And don't forget the prop.
Wait, it's not.
Okay, push on. Okay. So what you're gonna do is use a chicken stick. You have a chicken stick?
No, it
So you can... Okay. Don't forget the prop.
That just popped off.
Where?
Ah.
Wait,
Yeah.
Sorry, did yesterday?
Okay, you guys are ready, guys?
We locked it.
Are you ready? Good.
No, it's cold, I know. It's cold.
It won't be cold in Texas, but we will only have 3 minutes.
Uy, filme usted que yo quiero mirar. Oh my god, it's flying. Okay, so
And it's gonna be a lot better on paved,
asphalt, yeah.
on asphalt, because the wing touch the ground.
At least to survive a crash.
oh my god, this thing's solid, man.
So this was the best
Ever.
ever. It even crashed and it still works.
Wow.
So
did
what
the
I'm
crash
gonna
test.
suggest you is to adjust your engine right now. I can do that for you.
Put the pressure on.
Ya está como, ya se puede resecar.
I mean, that's all in the plastic.
No, really, it is.
Thank you.
Here, come put it in the car. Or to put the. Wait, did you want to wipe down the bottom? Is this ready?
Guys, I'm
We
gonna.
don't have any more. Hold on.
Can't believe it. Fucking flew. They see how nice it is. Dude, it was. Wait, they see how it's not yellow. Yes. No.
There's the one. Oh, here, there's one more.
Andrew, I'm pulling this.
Here, Dan, do the front wheel.
Cuando foticos estamos contra la luz, mami.
No, estoy poniendo